Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about such a data type as Enum. What is this actually, what is it for, and when can it be useful? Okay, imagine that there is a table of orders, and the order has an Enum type status field. What is it for? The fact is that in some situations we choose values from the predefined options. In this case, we know that the statuses are predefined and we want to protect ourselves from putting the wrong value in the order status. So let's consider that, for example, we have a status of an order as new order. We also have paid and delivered statuses. That's pretty it what we need for now. Let's have a look on how this actually works in the business processes. Let's navigate to the business processes and create a new one. Consider that the object of an order comes to the input of the business process. Let's expand it first. And suppose that we want to send this order status somewhere as a message. First we need to create a variable of a string type. And set an initial value for it. So if we try to drag the value from the enum to the input of the set variable block, we will see that this is not possible since the data types of the variables are different. It is logical to assume that we can convert the enum data type into a string like this. But as a result, if we check in the compiled application, we only get the keys from the enum values at the output. The point is that enum is a data object which is a key value pair. To get the actual value of enum object, we need to use switch block with the predefined values in it. So it will actually looks like that. As you can see, all the values, all the enum values are predefined here, so we can actually set the variable for any of these cases. So if the order status is new, we set the value of variable to be the new. If it is paid, we set it as paid. If the order status is delivered, we set it as delivered. In any other case, we will provide a message that the status is unknown. After that, the string variable can be passed as an output. Okay, that's it. And this was a short example of how to use the enums in AppMaster.